Welcome to Reaction Traction, where we bring you some of the craziest videos on the internet. Join us today as we look at some boat operators who didn't know how to operate their boats quite in the right fashion. Looks like this guy's just cruising along, having a nice day. Gust of wind took him out. Wonder what he was thinking at that time. A little jet skiing. Wow. Hope that guy wasn't injured. Looks like he put a car turbo on a boat. That's probably not a good idea. I'm not sure what happened to this guy. He hit a bump. I'm just gonna play that off like nothing happened.
I hope this person knows what they're getting into.
Boom! There we go.
Who knows what this guy's doing. Just gonna back up and pretend that didn't happen. Coming in pretty fast. It's like a little platoon boat. Oh wow. That looked painful, no roof.
There's supposed to be a New York in there too. There's nothing in that box, Ozzy. Hey, it's coming this way.
Just cruising along through the ice.
Jump on us. Hey. Ah!
Oh wow, what was that, a whale?
Woo! Go! Go!
That'll ruin you.
Go! Go! Go!
Hey guys, definitely like and subscribe if you love these videos. That'll definitely help out the channel.
I told you it was coming.
Another whale to the boat. That's just a bad day if that happens. That water looks way too choppy to even be in, with the family especially. Wow. They were all looking at the rocks like, oh boy. Starting to look like from these videos that you just shouldn't go more than 60 miles per hour on a boat. It could be a wave. It could be a gust of wind. Something's gonna take you out. He was trying to record this video. I guess he's like, I'm gonna just delete this. Kind of hard to see fully what's going on this section at nighttime. Just a random explosion. Is that a bomb or something? That's crazy. Huh. No idea what happened there. I don't know if I'd still be standing that close. Well, I hope you like these videos, guys. If you like the crash videos, check out these train wreck videos linked above. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys.